Hey everybody, welcome to our quiz series. Today we got some general knowledge, space, and geography questions. Let's go. Which country is the largest democracy in the world? India is the most populous democratic country in the world. Which chemical element has the symbol Ag? Correct answer is silver. The symbol Ag for silver comes from its Latin name, argentum. What animal can really fly and is not a bird or insect? Bats are the only mammals capable of sustained flight. While flying squirrels and flying fish can glide, they can't truly fly. Which element is the most abundant in the Earth's crust? About 46.6% of the Earth's crust is made up of oxygen, primarily in the form of oxide compounds like silicon dioxide. Who was the first president of the United States? George Washington served as the first president of the United States from 1789 to 1797. Which term describes a market with a single seller? Answer A, monopoly. Which country has the world's oldest continuous monarchy? Japan has the world's oldest hereditary monarchy, with a lineage that dates back over 1,400 years. Which of the following is not a type of economic system? Photosynthesis is a biological process and not an economic system. Okay, which device sold out in 5.5 hours in 2007? The original Kindle sold out rapidly after its release. Which star is closest to Earth? Answer C, Sun. How long does it take light from the Sun to reach Earth? On average, the Earth is 93 million miles, or 149.6 million kilometers from the Sun. Sunlight takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach us. Which is the smallest planet in our solar system? Mercury is the answer. On which planet is a day longer than a year? A day in Venus is longer than a year, due to its slow rotation. Which celestial body is known as the evening star? Venus is often visible shortly after sunset, hence called the evening star. Which planet has rings? Saturn is the answer. Which planet in our solar system has the most moons? Saturn again. Which planet is named after a god of war? Mars is named after the Roman god of war. How much would a teaspoon of a neutron star weigh? $6 billion tons. Neutron stars are extremely dense. And now, some geography questions. Which country of the following has no rivers? Saudi Arabia is the answer. Despite its size, this country has no permanent rivers. What country has the most volcanoes? Answer B, Indonesia. Which country borders only one other country? Canada only borders the United States. Which country is known for its pyramids? Egypt, of course. Which country is shaped like a boot? Answer B, Italy. Where is the world's highest waterfall? Angel Falls in Venezuela is the world's highest waterfall. Which continent spans both the northern and southern hemispheres? Africa is located in both hemispheres. Which country is known as the land of the midnight sun? Norway is the answer. During the summer months in northern Norway, the sun doesn't set for several weeks, offering continuous daylight. Which country has the most islands? Sweden has more than 267,500 islands, most of which are uninhabited. Great! How many points did you get? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to watch this video. Until next time.